Hey guys, it's Kayla, and I thought you might like to see our Blizzard 2013. So this is the front, and me and King are just standing here because it's kind of cold. Kingy, hi. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, good boy. Good boy, you're so cute, yes. Ready? Let's go see the backyard. Let's go see. Come on. And this here is the backyard. So there's quite a lot of snow. My dad is currently stuck at his workplace, which cannot be fun. And they are advising people not to go anywhere, but the highways are closed, so it's kind of impossible anyway. And it is cold. It's very, very cold. But anyway, thought you guys might like to see. Oh, wow, King's braving it. I don't know. Oh, he has to go potty. Oh, go Kingy! Go Kingy! What are you doing, man? You good? Oh no, now you got snow all over your face. Now you got snow all over your face. Oh! Oh, it's a Kingy! King! Hi, baby. Do you like the snow? Oh, getting snow all over you. Alright, well, let's come inside. Oh, no? Okay. Okay, well, you've seen the snow. And hopefully they can clear the road soon so that my dad can get home. Because it would suck to be stuck at work. Say bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye.